Surrmed.
Comes with a fancy packaging that elevates the overall user experience, combining functionality with aesthetic appeal. This product has a sophisticated design that does not only enhances the product's visual allure, but also contributes to the overall emotional experience for expectant parents. Each unit comes with a complimentary Type-C USB cord and a high-quality, long-lasting battery specifically tailored for the fetal Doppler's power requirements.
Surrmed.